Hello, I'm Peter Robert, and today we're going to talk about the importance of an underbody inspection, including the brake lines on your customer's vehicle. While underbody inspections for rust and corrosion should be part of every vehicle's regular maintenance schedule, these inspections are absolutely essential to help enable continued safe mechanical operation of the vehicle's braking system. Failure to properly maintain brake lines may result in corrosion, brake fluid leaking, and reduced braking ability of the vehicle. The vehicle maintenance should always include regular washing, including the underbody. This is especially important during winter months because de-icing chemicals can cause or accelerate corrosion. The underbody inspection should include the brake lines, paying particular attention to difficult to inspect areas. A few examples would be under the radiator, behind the fuel tank, around clips and hangers, near the ABS module, and where lines run in high splash areas. During an inspection of a vehicle, if you find corroded, leaking, or damaged brake lines, replacement will be necessary. If you're like me, you don't look forward to changing the brake lines due to the complexity of bends and flares. I have some good news for you and owners of 1999 to 2007 GM full-sized pickup trucks and SUVs who were in need of a hydraulic brake line repair. ACDelco and General Motors offer pre-formed and flared brake line kits. Each kit is sold with all the lines needed to replace the entire brake line assembly for these vehicles except the rear axle crossover pipe. The brake line kits have a nylon coating that provides better corrosion protection and are a low-cost alternative compared to custom forming each line during replacement. ACDelco Bulletin Number 14D101 includes a part number list and specific vehicle applications. General Motors Technical Service Bulletin 13-05-22-001D includes the part numbers, details the procedures for installing the kits, and is available in General Motors service information and at www.acdelcotechconnect.com. The suggested labor time for this repair is 4.5 to 6 hours, depending on the vehicle you are working on. I have a kit here with me today to show you how they will come to your shop. As you can see, the box is not as big as you might think. That's because the lines have been curved to ease in packaging. Let's get these out of the box and I will show you what they look like. All of the lines are here except the rear crossover pipe. Let's take a look at one of the lines and where the packaging curve is. As you can see here, there's marking tape to indicate where the lines need to be straightened. When I'm bending a line, I try to find a radius that matches the bend. When I'm straightening the line, I will use a flat surface like the bench we have here. I'm just going to lay one part of the line on the bench and gently straighten it using the other part of the line. You will need to repeat this for any remaining lines that need to be straightened. Now that we have that completed, it's on to the installation. Here are a few things to keep in mind when installing these brake line kits. When removing old brake lines, be sure to clean all dirt, rust, and other contaminants from the area adjacent to each brake line nut so that no contaminants enter any hydraulic fittings or openings of the brake lines. Carefully remove the existing brake lines from the routing clips to avoid damaging the clips. The new brake lines will be installed in the clips. If any clips are damaged, they will need to be replaced. Before installation, be sure to identify the correct port locations on the master cylinder, ABS modulator valve, and brake pressure proportioning valve where equipped to ensure proper operation. And finally, once the new brake lines are installed, inspect the routing of the new lines to ensure that the new lines do not contact any part of the frame. I wasn't looking forward to the first one of these I did, but by the time I was finished, I sure did appreciate the pre-formed and flared brake line assembly kits because it made the job go a lot smoother. Remember, regular underbody inspections for rust and corrosion are absolutely essential to help ensure safe winter driving. Remind your customers that a regular underbody wash could help prevent the need for a repair like this in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.